If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Schererville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stunner Reese, man. Welcome to another episode of Muscle Cars and More. And I know y'all might be hearing a little noise in the background, but I'm going to show you why in 1 second. So stay tuned. Something major is about to come. And that's right, another mod to the Hellcat Yellcat. Let's go.
Silky Bee.
Alright, squad, so let me let y'all know what's on the agenda for today. For all my real squad members who remember when your boy Stunner Reese, man, and the squad did the muscle car move out to Columbus, Ohio to meet up with Mod to Fame and Will Motivation. Well, the Hellcat Yellcat got a little boo-boo, man. Something hit the front of the car and actually chipped the front of the car up. Well, today I'm at one of the only spots, man, that I would let even touch the Hellcat Yellcat, man, and that's Geo's Automotive, man. That's right, man. Geo's Automotive is the place that I let mess with all my paint needs. Now, I don't know if you guys ever knew this, but there was a minor imperfection on my BMW 007, and yeah, this is who repaired it. Hellcat got a minor imperfection. This is who repairing it, and when Dracula comes out and is released to the streets, this will be doing the repairs. That's right, man. Geos, they do awesome work. Now I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what they do here, man, from full restorations to repairs to actually even putting together cars in halves. That's right, man. They'll take two halves of cars and put them together. But real quick, man, I'm gonna show you a real dope ride that they working on right now. All right, let's get it. Now this is a Cutlass 442 original, 442, but as you can see, he's did some motor upgrades to it. This thing is nice, man. Now, it was nice when it came in, but Geo's putting the magical touches on it to bring it to show quality and knock out all the small imperfections. Look at the detail of the masking that they're doing just to paint that. He repainted this fender. You can see there is not a wave, a line, any imperfection in this whole entire fender. It looks like brand new. He also has did the door. The door is over there. You can't tell it was ever painted. It looks flawless. There's not a wave, ripple anywhere in the paint job. It's flawless. Now he does all levels of work, from collision repairs to paint jobs to whatever you need, touch-ups, whatever, blending, whatever, custom fiberglass work. He does it all. Now this is a real nice car, man, to start with. I'm gonna be honest with you. I love the 442s, especially the 64s, and these nice wheels on it. I like these, man. These wheelers look good. We got some nice tires on here. It's a nice ride, man. Nice ride. Oldsmobile. Yes, sir. Now, I'm going to be bringing you guys probably more footage if I can catch this one before it leaves out of the shop. Completely done, completely back put together. And we're going to show you guys how this one turns out. But yeah, guys, this is a nice ride here. All right. Now, he also does full paint jobs. Now, this is a two-door Tahoe. Now, for those who know, y'all know how legendary the two-door Tahoe is. And this one is going to be a full redo. That's right. LT, leather, trim, everything fully loaded. Now, he's got to repair all the rust around the windshield. I mean, this is going to be a full restoration. This thing is going to be top of the 10s once it's done. Now, he also has a frame machine. That's right. If you guys have collisions where you need to get your frame pulled and straightened, yeah, he does all of that as well. That's right. I know it's loud in here, so but yeah, I'm gonna step back a little bit. I know it's loud in here, but yeah, he does have a frame machine to actually do full frames. Now let me show you some of the other type of cars that he can actually repair, or he'll actually take a car like this. Now this obviously was a squad car that had better days, but he could take a vehicle like this and cut it in half, literally cut it in half, and he will use the back half of this to repair the damage on someone who has been collided in the rear. That's the level of work that he does here. So it's nothing too big, too small for him to actually do, guys. He does it all. And like I said, this guy's definitely had better days. Yeah, and that's a state trooper. Yeah, they don't want you to see that, but yeah, Illinois state trooper. But yeah, guys, now let me show you one of his own personal vehicles that, trust me, guys, when this vehicle is done, you're not even gonna recognize it. You will not recognize it at all. All right, so this is his C10 pickup. Now he's doing a full frame, chassis, motor, full restoration on this, suspension, everything. When this thing is done, it is gonna be crazy, guys. Crazy. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I will be covering the whole entire build of this truck here, so make sure you guys stay tuned and be on the lookout for that. Yeah, this thing is gonna be crazy. Now remember, I just told you guys he will actually take two cars, cut them in half, and build one. Well, here's an example of what I was talking about, guys. Not everyone can do this. He has the certification that it takes to do this, and he does it right here, man, at Geo's. Yep. So real quick, guys, he just got a customer in, got an estimate on his Camry. Now real quick, here's my buddy Geo right here, man. This who's taking care of me, man. He's gonna be also sponsoring the YouTuber Speed Fest and the Stunner Jam. So guys, make sure y'all watch out for that, man. But yeah, he about to get the Hellcat ready, man. Now we got a big show this weekend. We actually got two shows. We got the show at the helicopter landing site with the cars and helicopters, and then we also have the Mopar show this Sunday. So we got two big shows this Sunday. So he about to get it together for me. Now, when I said I had a mod to the car, you guys are gonna have to see that once it's done. Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but you'll see. My boy Gio gonna take care of me, man. Now Gio, if you guys wanna call him and come and get some work done, you're in the Chicagoland area, you got two numbers to call, either one. Right there on the screen, guys, Gio's. Okay, we got the first number is the office number. The office number is 708-566-4681. So if you want to reach him directly on his cell, 708-275-6032. Make sure you guys come and see him. He's right here in South Holland, Illinois. So make sure you guys, if you guys want top level work, like I said, from frame repairs, whatever, full restorations, whatever, they can do it right here. All right. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up, man. Gio about to drop me off, and we're about to get out of here, but y'all stay tuned, man, for the car and the reveal for the mod. All right, I'm out of here. Peace. If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Schererville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there.